everyone! It's Chef Pixie here again, and I understand that a lot of us now may be craving and eating more comfort food than usual, some in the form of snacks, fast food, or sweets. Personally, I prefer sweets as my comfort food, and maybe like a lot of you, since we have more time at home, I've definitely been having more sweets and desserts lately. But of course, given today's situation and the need to be more conscious of our overall health, I wondered if there was a dish that was more on the healthy side but could still satisfy my sweet tooth. So today, I'm happy to share with you this recipe for a sweet and indulgent but more health-conscious dish called warm raisin rice pudding, which was inspired by my last trip to New York, which will be using also a natural sweetener, the California raisin. These California raisins are naturally sweet and have no sugar added. So these are great to use when you want to make sweet dishes but are also trying to be more conscious of your sugar intake. Actually, to go even beyond just being good for less sugar intake, these California raisins are also good sources of potassium and fiber and are also naturally low in sodium and fat and cholesterol free. To make your warm raisin rice pudding, you will need 3.5 cups of California full cream milk, 1/2 can or 1/2 cup of evaporated milk already mixed in here, 3/4 cup long grain rice, 1/4 cup short grain sticky rice grains. This is called malagkit here in the Philippines. 1 whole egg, large egg. 1/2 cup muscovado sugar or any sugar substitute will do. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1/4 cup of California raisins. This is the natural kind. And then another 1/4 cup of golden raisins. I heard these are dried in the warm California sun, so I guess that's why they're called golden raisins. Now, since we're ready with all our ingredients, let's get into the short but sweet recipe. To start, we combine our milk, which is here already. Then we put our rice, both kinds, long grain and short grain. Make sure that your rice is washed already before you put them in your pot, your mixture. Then add in your short grain, which is your malagkit rice, which is also, this has been washed already. And your salt. So let me get salt. Salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Heat until boiling, stirring consistently to prevent rice from sticking to our pot. But since we're using a non-stick pot, we can just stir occasionally. Okay? Okay, when it starts to boil, you reduce the heat to low and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is already soft. Another thing I really like about using these California golden raisins as natural sweeteners is that unlike actual sugar, these California raisins prevent cavities and gum disease. And they're able to do this because they contain phytonutrients which battle our bacteria. So for both adults and kids who are really craving sweets at this time, these California raisins might be a good sweetening alternative to explore for you. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to boil, whisk together your egg and your muscovado sugar. Then, we put a little of the warm rice milk mixture in here. The reason why we do that is because if we put the egg directly in the rice, it might turn into scrambled eggs. So we have to introduce the warm milk mixture to the egg and the sugar. We're supposed to get almost, similar temperature to our mixture in the pot. And then after that, that's when we pour in the now warm egg sugar mixture to the rest of the mixture in your pot. So you don't directly put the egg in here. You have to put the warm mixture first, the warm milk mixture in the egg. And then we add in our vanilla extract. And if you are not so, if you want it a little bit more sophisticated, you can add liquor like rum or maybe brandy instead of vanilla. You can do that. Okay, and we're going to add in our cinnamon. There. And then we'll continue to cook this until our mixture becomes a bit thick. It's important that when you add the egg in, the rice is already cooked. And then, we add in our raisins in the end. Our raisins. This will make our pudding really good. I know I said it's a natural sweetener, so you don't need sugar. But in this case, we will use the sugar not only as a sweetener, but also to make our mixture a bit, moist and creamy. If you want to add more raisins, you can do so. Which I think I want to do. I will add more. I know less is more, but in this case, more is more. So, yeah. I like it more with raisins. I even eat this as a snack. So, I'd want an abundant amount of raisins in my pudding. Yeah, mas madami, masaya. It looks good already. And it smells good. This is great to have as a snack or even for breakfast instead of your normal champorado or lugaw. This will really wake up your kids and will put them in a good mood. And of course, it will give them enough nutrients to help them with their day. Yan. Okay. It's thickening already, so I think we're almost there. If you want an extra kick pa, you can put a little bit of oatmeal, yung instant oatmeal, just to add a little more creaminess. I don't know if we have. Do we have ba? Let me check. And that's all you need to do to make your warm raisin rice pudding. Okay, let's try this. I think it's ready. There, yummy. For you. Thank you. Now for me. For me. Try it. It's so good. So if you're like me you have a big sweet tooth but want to be more conscious of the ingredients you use, you can try using California raisins like here in front of me as a natural sweetener. They're very easy to prep. Also, since no washing or peeling is required, and you can actually have them as snacks on their own while you cook because they're ready to eat as is. If you want to get these California raisins to make our warm raisin rice pudding at home, and I highly recommend you do so because they're not expensive and they're more economical. You could get them at your leading supermarkets in this brand or maybe another brand as long as it has California sun-dried on it. Okay? Lastly, you'd want to thank Ms. Ida Garcia of Dane International Commodities Inc. for supplying us with our raisins, our natural California raisins and our golden raisins. If you want to get in touch with them, this is for wholesale. You can call them at 8722-9250 or 8727-3657. Or they have a mobile number 0922-831-5877 or 0977-823-3382. Then you can also email them for your order and inquiries and go to their website at www.danecommodities.com. Here. Dane. Thank you. So, to everyone craving sweet but more health-conscious comfort food, I hope you can try this recipe for yourselves and let me know how it goes.